Smoke billows from a stricken ship. But is it a smoking gun? The US says Iran was behind attacks on 2 oil tankers in the Gulf of Oman.
This assessment is based on intelligence, the weapons used, the level of expertise needed to execute the operation, recent similar Iranian attacks on shipping, and the fact that no proxy group operating in the area has the resources and proficiency to act with such a high degree of sophistication.
The US military has released photographs appearing to show damage and a limpet mine on one of the tankers. It also published a video of grainy black and white footage that it says shows evidence of Iran's Revolutionary Guard removing an unexploded limpet. On Thursday, a fire broke out on a Norwegian oil tanker following explosions. Hours later, a second tanker, Japanese-owned, also radioed for help. Both ships had departed from Saudi Arabia and had passed through the Strait of Hormuz, a strategically important waterway which carries a fifth of all global oil supplies. Iran has rejected the US accusations and says its navy came to the aid of one of the ships. Iranian state TV broadcast images of the rescued crew members. Iran's foreign minister said the incidents were suspicious. Leaders from around the world expressed alarm.
Facts must be established and responsibilities clarified. And if there is something the world cannot afford, is a major confrontation in the Gulf region.
Russia cautioned against rushing to blame Iran.
We've recently witnessed an escalation campaign of political, psychological and military pressure on Iran. We urge against speculating about the events that have just occurred and further aggravating the situation in an anti-Iranian sense.
It's just weeks since the US blamed Iran for a series of attacks on 4 other ships in the region, though full details have yet to be released. Iran has also rejected those accusations.